Welcome students, we are still continuing with the types of belts, and today we want to talk about the compound belt drive. A compound belt drive, as shown in the figure, is used where power is transmitted from one shaft to another through a number of pulleys. So as you can see, we have the driver, which is pulley number 1, and the driven a small pulley here, number 2, and from this small pulley number 2 is also attached another pulley 3, which is bigger, which drives the fourth pulley driven. So this is what is called the compound belt drive. What about the stepped or the coned pulley drive? A stepped or coned pulley drive, as shown in the figure 18.1, is used for changing the speed of the driven shaft while the main or driving shaft runs at constant speed. This is accomplished by shifting the belt from one part of the steps to the other. So as you can see, the stepped pulley, we have cascaded pulley types based on their sizes, and the belts run from one to the other. So this is what is called the coned pulley or the stepped pulley. What of the flat and loose pulley drive? A fast and loose pulley drive is used when the driven or machine shaft is to be started or stopped whenever desired without interfering with the driving shaft. A pulley which is keyed to the machine shaft is called fast pulley and runs at the same speed as that of machine shaft. A loose pulley runs freely over the machine shaft and is incapable of transmitting any power. So today we can see the velocity ratio of a belt drive. Velocity ratio of a belt drive, as I discussed in the other video, is given by the ratio of the driven divided by the ratio of the driver's speed, which should be equated to the diameter of the driver pulley all over the diameter of the driven. So if you have any trouble understanding this, I advise you to watch my previous videos which concern the velocity ratio of a belt drive. Otherwise, this marks the end of our today's lesson. Let's meet again in the next class.